I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. These niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. These niggas acting they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Santana, Scat, checking in with another video here. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're gonna be reviewing these DS-18 12s that I put in the trunk. The factory stereo, it says it's Alpine, but it's, I don't know, it's trash, and I didn't get the Harman card, so I wanted a little bit more bass in the car. So there's a DS-18 plug in Charlotte. I'll put his Instagram information below. So when I was up here, I hit him up, and he was able to plug me in with these. So these are the Gen X 12Ds, 4 + 4 ohms, 900 watts a piece. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn the car on in a minute. I'm gonna hit y'all with a little cold start, then we'll put a bass test on and just see, you know, how they sound. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, these are the subs installed in my box here. All right, these are the DS-18s. They look pretty clean. The box is just a normal box, so they would look better if I had a nicer box, but oh well, they do what they need to do. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I got it set up with the amp and all. I'm not gonna go through installation or none of that. I got another video on it, but I'm not a professional, so I did have the stereo shop went ahead and pre-installed the controller for me, so all I had to do was pretty much plug and play. Let me go ahead and show you how that amplifier looks. All right, so as you guys can see, I do have a fiberglass box, back to the box, tapped into the rear speaker wise here. I did have that hidden better, but oh well, I'm not worried about fixing it right now. All right, this is the controller box I'm talking about. So this is pretty much where your remote wire and stuff is plugged up at. So everything runs through here, and then of course you plug your power remote in here, and of course your RCAs. All right, but it's a Rockford phosphate amp. Right now I've got the gain about halfway, so, and the speakers are not turned all the way up, like the frequency and all, it's not turned all the way up. So stay tuned. 1 second, I'm gonna go ahead and crank them up and see how it looks. All right, so we're in the car now. We're gonna go ahead and see how it sounds. Got a little beatbox and instrumental going on here. Hopefully they don't copyright it. Let's go ahead and see how it sounds inside the car first. Definitely had the trunk vibrate, and it's already halfway up. So let me go ahead and stop the video real quick, turn them up a little bit more, see how it sounds. All right, this is with the gain turned all the way up. Let's see if there's any much of a difference. so the system definitely has the bass in the car. Definitely like it. And definitely worth the price. He gave them to me for a decent, almost cheaper than the stereo shop. So if you're in the Charlotte area, or if you're in South Carolina and you're close enough to drive to Charlotte like I be doing, definitely hit him up, man. He'll look out for you. Like I said, I saved about $100 compared to what the stereo shop was trying to sell them to me for. I'll post this information below. I actually have 4 of those 12s, so I might go ahead and buy 2 more small speaker spot boxes to go on the side and put 4 12s back there. But I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I don't want to be too loud. I just want a little bit of bass, but I might test it out and just see how it goes. Appreciate y'all checking out the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We out.
See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bomber Cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so